So what if you could make money online with simple text? Well, you actually can, and I just discovered this a few days ago, and I've been testing it out, and I'm on my way to actually making some money with this method. And I'm actually very surprised at how this works. It's very simple, very easy to understand, and there are actually people making money online with this method. What I want to do is break this down, exactly what this is, how you can implement it, and how you can start doing this right now with simple text. And this is a new thing, so you want to jump on this now. So I highly recommend you watch this video, understand what this is, see how simple this is, and see if it's something you want to do to make money online. Let's get started. Before we get into this method, I want to show you how simple it is to make money online, and that it's just a numbers game and it's not too difficult to get up to numbers that actually make you money. So if you go look online at people that are making money, you'll see that most of them have some sort of link somewhere in their business, or they're trying to get people to their specific business. It can be an affiliate link, or it can be a link to their website, or it could be like a software, something like that. But let's do some numbers. If you send 100 people to a link that has a product on it that you are selling, or it could be an affiliate product or something like that, 100 people. Now the average conversion rate is 2 to 3%. My conversion rate's around about 3 to 5, but let's just do 3%. So if you convert three people out of 100 people into a sale. Now that sale could be any price point. It's really up to you. However, my average sale per person is 166. So that would mean that with 3 sales, I would make over $300. Now, if we go ahead and take a price point of, say, to round it off, say $50, let's say you were selling something for $50 and you sent 100 people to that link and 3 converted, you're making $150 in that time frame. Now, all you got to do is optimize your offer to get your conversion rate to 4. If you get your conversion rate to 4%, you've added an extra $50. So that means that you would have made $200 from sending 100 people to your link. That's $2 per click. So these are the kind of numbers. Once you understand these numbers, then you will realize how simple it is to make money online. Now, you might be thinking, but it's difficult to get 100 people to a link in a day on a daily basis. It's actually not that difficult. And let me show you one of the easiest methods to do this right now. Now, I actually started this particular method I'm about to show you a few days ago. Yesterday, and I already have 180 views to my content, and this hasn't updated today, so it'll be well over 200 views. Now, this is a very simple method. You can do this without showing your face, without your own product, and you can simply do this by just posting text. Let me explain. I found this method by accident while scrolling Threads the other day. So if I go through Threads, you can see these people here. This person made 5K. We go down, this person is getting money every, this is daily. And then we go down and we look at these things. And here's a stat here, 20 bucks a day. Doesn't sound impressive, but it's 7K in a year. So if we go down, you'll see all of these people are doing something very similar. They're using this thing called Gumroad, and they are promoting products. So how do we actually do something similar? So let's just do some research. If we click on this specific profile here, I've never clicked on it before, we can see that they are constantly posting results. So these guys are making money. Now, if we go back, I couldn't actually see a link on that one, which was weird. If we go back, we'll find another one. This one right here. You'll see that they have a link here. Now, this is called beacons.ai. We click on this specific link. And what we do is we can see what these people are promoting. So what they're doing is, the first thing they're doing is a free guide, okay? You can easily make some sort of free guide by using ChatGPT. And then they have a lazy side hustle tracker, which is pretty good. Then they have the method here. The method is a faceless empire, the ultimate guide to building faceless business. And then we have this here, which is like some sort of thing, right? But look how simple this is. They send people to. So let's just do a chart here to get ourselves in the zone here. So this is what they're doing. They are sending people to beacons. We will just call this B. Our box is B, and they are sending people to beacons. This is their priority. This is what they are doing. Or some people are actually sending it straight to Gumroad, so it can be Beacons or Gumroad. So let's open Beacons real quick. Now, this is my Beacons account. This is one that I started for free yesterday. This is Beacons here. You can do sales, you can do brand deals, you can do link and bio. So this thing here, you can use to set up a page just like this. Another way that you can do this is you can go ahead and you can use Gumroad. Gumroad is free. They just take a percentage of the sales. Beacons has a free plan, which is pretty good as well. But I would highly recommend Gumroad if you don't want to use Beacons. Now, you can see how clean this is. And you might be asking yourself first, okay, so we've narrowed this down. We need to send people to Beacons. Let's talk about the offer soon. Let's talk about how you actually get traffic to the offer, and then I'll explain to you how you can actually get the offer and you don't have to create a product. So what you notice on these pages, and a lot of these pages, so you notice they've got a lot of their screenshots, right, of income, but you're not going to have any income right now. So the best thing for you to do is, if we go back, is to do text post, okay, in a specific niche. So if we go to my page right here, you'll see that I've been posting text posts, and these actually get pretty decent views. So this one here, you'll notice that I got 115 views, and all it does is say this, okay? So first of all, we need to start doing content, and I would recommend at the start posting every couple of hours. And you can see I've actually been doing this. If we go to my ChatGPT, you can see that I've actually got these viral threads, these text right here, okay? So I've actually been doing it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to ChatGPT and we're going to say this. All right, so I've said I have a threads page on making money using threads. So our offer is going to be making money using threads. Create viral text posts. I can post with good viral hooks. So if you actually look at this, it's pretty good. Now, we can optimize it over time, but it says the uncomfortable truth, 90% of people on threads posting, et cetera, et cetera. Because we're posting in such volume, like 10 to 20 times per day, it's very easy, guys. You just go on your phone and post the stuff. Like, if you can't do this, you shouldn't be trying to make money online. This is so easy. So we take these and we are simply going to just start posting on threads with this stuff from ChatGPT. You can edit it, you can tell it to do better versions, etc. But that's all we're going to do. And what we're going to do as well is we're going to just make a little profile of ourselves, so just put some profile text in, etc. And then what we're going to do, so we're going to just start posting content. That's all you need to do straight away. If you have a look here, we go to my stats. This is the content here that I've just started posting, okay? Then the next thing we need to do is we need to get a link up. So we get traffic to this by posting text on threads. And we use ChatGPT to do that. GPT. No, I put CGPT, whatever. So ChatGPT. We use ChatGPT to send people to the beacon. So now what we do is we have, we're sending traffic, right? We're posting these things here. Keep in mind, you're not going to get a lot of link clicks with these, because what we need to do is you need to integrate your link into these over time. Just build up some stats first. The next thing we need to do is we need to go ahead and find an offer. So if you go to Etsy.com, you can actually find offers that will give you resale rights. So if we click on this one, I can pay $3. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this complete package with a PLR license. I can buy this for $3 and then I can resell this to people. So let's just assume we're going to do this. Now, I would recommend 2 or 3 offers that you can get on Etsy, but let's just say we're going to take this, Threads Mastery. So now we have an offer. So all we do is we go to something like, we take someone's page that's clean. This page is really, really clean. Now let's click on this because it might actually take us to Gumroad. Yes, it does. So this actually takes us to Gumroad right here. And you can see this is it right here. So we can actually skip using beacons. What we're going to do is we're not going to use beacons in this tutorial. We're going to keep it nice and simple. We're going to use just Gumroad. So what we want to do, and people do this, is we want to go ahead and we want to replicate this here, okay? Very simple. If you don't have images, that's fine. You can actually ask some of these people, they might let you use them, or a lot of these products come with images that you can use. Or just wait until people actually make sales from your stuff and then you can put them up here. So you can create a sales page with Gumroad. So that's really easy. So that's the thing here. We'll put, we're going to take out beacons and we're actually going to put G for Gumroad. We're going to send people straight to Gumroad. When people go to Gumroad, they're going to go to our page and we're going to send them to the checkout. And they're going to purchase our product. They're going to get the product. And then we are going to get the money. Like I said, all you need to do is send 100 people to that offer per day. And if at a, let's say a 3% conversion rate, you will get 3 sales per 100 people. Okay? Now you will see that this person is selling their one for $27. Now, keep in mind, they probably have upsells as well. So upsells create a higher value customer. That's why I get $166 per sale on average. So if we go back to this right here, let's just say we have a $27 offer. We'll say $37. $37 is a good price point. We have a $37 offer, and we have an upsell that is, let's say, $10 to round it off. So we could potentially get $47 per sale because we have an upsell as well. Now, not everybody's going to take the upsell, but it's going to average out. Let's just say it averages out at $40 per person. $50. That's 37, 40. Let's just say 45 per person. We would make 45 times 3 per 100 people. And all we're doing, this is no joke, all we're doing is we are posting content. We're sending people to a link. Look at this link right here. This is my link that you can you can see here. I have student results, my main core program here. I have some free training, and then I have this is like a base program, just a little base program that I'm selling for $27, and then a $7 bump offer. Okay, so this works out quite well. By the way, I will leave this below, and I might actually put in here a Threads course that you can actually follow along to make this work for you. But that's how that specific method works. But that's it, guys. I just want to show you how this works, and I would highly recommend you get on this fast because Threads is untapped right now. Like, look at this. Look at the views these people are getting. This is untapped right now, and people are making really good money with this because this is a new platform, and Instagram is pushing Threads hard right now. So jump on this, give this a go, and see if this will work for you. I'll leave links below to all my stuff, so click those links right now, check out all my stuff. Some of these courses might help you out, and I'll see you guys in the next video.